Narrator voiceover. What if I told you that you could save hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars every year without drastically changing your lifestyle? Well, stay tuned, because today we're sharing 14 game-changing money-saving tricks that will have you rethinking your household spending. Narrator. We all know the drill. Turn off the lights when you're not in the room. But how much could this really save? Well, keeping lights off when you don't need them can lower your energy bills by up to $100 a year. Cut to a person switching off a light and leaving a room. Narrator. It's such a simple habit, yet it makes a huge impact. Narrator. Next up, heating and cooling. Did you know you can save as much as $200 a year by simply adjusting your thermostat by a few degrees? In winter, keep it lower, and in summer, set it higher. Scene shows a smart thermostat being set to an energy-saving mode. Narrator. Investing in a smart thermostat can help regulate temperatures when you're away, saving even more. Narrator. This one's a game changer. Planning meals ahead of time not only saves you time, but also money. By making a weekly menu and sticking to your shopping list, you'll avoid impulse buys and reduce food waste. Scene shows someone preparing a weekly meal plan and shopping with a list. Narrator. You could save up to $500 a year just by planning your meals. Narrator. Buying non-perishable items in bulk is another easy win. Things like rice, pasta, and canned goods are cheaper when you buy them in larger quantities. Scene shows someone filling up a pantry with bulk items. Narrator. This can save you hundreds in the long run, especially on things you use regularly. Narrator. Don't underestimate discount stores for your groceries and household items. They carry quality products for a fraction of the price you'd pay elsewhere. Cut to a person happily shopping at a discount store. Narrator. Consider switching to your local discount chain for some great savings up to $200 annually. Narrator. Streaming services, gym memberships, food delivery. These add up fast. Start by reviewing your monthly subscriptions and cancel the ones you don't need. Scene shows someone looking through their phone, canceling unused subscriptions. Narrator. You could save $300 per year just by cutting out things you never use. Narrator. Taking advantage of free trials is a great way to save, but always remember to cancel before the trial period ends to avoid hidden fees. Scene shows a person noting down the trial expiration dates in their phone calendar. Narrator. Smart management of free trials can save you hundreds in unexpected costs. Narrator. Why hire when you can do it yourself? Whether it's fixing a leaky faucet, painting a room, or assembling furniture, doing these tasks on your own can save you a ton. Scene shows a person happily fixing their faucet. Narrator. Keep your appliances and home systems well maintained to prevent costly repairs later on. For example, changing air filters regularly can extend the life of your VUC system, saving you major repair costs. Cut to someone cleaning an air filter. Narrator. A little bit of maintenance goes a long way, helping you save on big repairs. Narrator. In today's digital world, cashback and coupon apps are a must. Whether you're shopping online or in store, apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta can save you money on almost everything. Scene shows a person using their phone to apply a coupon at checkout. Narrator. You could get $100 plus back every year by using these apps. Narrator. Instead of buying expensive cleaning products, make your own. A mix of vinegar, baking soda, and water can clean almost anything, saving you $200 plus a year on cleaning supplies. Scene shows someone making a DIY cleaner with simple ingredients. Narrator. It's easy, natural, and much cheaper. Narrator. When it comes to furniture, appliances, or even clothes, consider buying second-hand. Thrift stores, Facebook Marketplace, and garage sales often offer gently used items at a fraction of the cost. Scene shows a person happily browsing a thrift store. Narrator. You can save hundreds by choosing used items. Narrator. Cutting back on takeout and dining out is another powerful way to save money. Even just reducing it by one meal a week can save you $500 or more in a year. Scene shows a person preparing a home-cooked meal instead of ordering takeout. Narrator: cook at home and watch your savings grow. Narrator: and finally, set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Even if it's just a small amount, automation helps you consistently save without thinking about it. Scene shows someone setting up an automatic transfer on their phone. Narrator: by the end of the year, this small habit could result in big savings. Narrator: so, there you have it, 14 simple, effective money-saving tricks that will help you keep more cash in your wallet without sacrificing your lifestyle. Start small, be consistent, and you'll be amazed at how much you can save. Scene shows the person from the beginning happily sitting on a couch, looking at their savings with a smile. Narrator: thanks for watching, and remember, saving money doesn't have to be hard. 14 genius money-saving hacks for your home. You need to try save big with these 14 simple household money-saving tips. How to cut your household bills by hundreds minus 14 tips you can't miss. 14 easy ways to save money every month at home. Stop wasting money. 14 household tips that will save you big.